very much in here. Just that squashing. I think he's found a toilet again. Yeah, seriously, that's running on an applied fire alarm system. That's so weird. Still there? Yeah. Good. Let's go and have a look at the other detector. What a weird place to watch cables dangling down there. What's what? Oh, there's a detector in there. There's a discovery.
Stop! No further risk be taken against drying rooms. Disciplinary action will be taken against any person not complying with this restriction.
What restriction? I just found a detector lying around on the table.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a bit dusty. If this boat's going to get scraps, then...
That's definitely good.
Don't tell you... Oh, there's monitors down there.
We'll have a look at the food they had. Grilled chicken fillets served with rice and salad. Sweet chilli or garlic mayo dip. £2.80. That's cheap.
Is
it's either subsidised or this is from a long, long time ago.
If there are electronic sectors sounders on this fire alarm system, then there should be an electronic sectors panel, as well as the advance outside.
Don't let a door shut behind you if you can get trapped in there.
Yeah, I suppose there's no lock on the inside. Look here, this sector's got no expert card at all. And it's very dirty on the inside.
This must be a very strange. There's no stairs on the inside, no stairs on the outside of this one. Weird. Let's get up the stairs to the next door up.
Yeah, sure. Advance panel over there.
Put down it there, and over that way it's for who? But I can't quite see it from this angle.
So there's more XP95 devices lying around. Let's just put this back on here so that... There you go. I think there's more missing devices in here. Two-tone squashing. There's quite a lot down here.
That doesn't exist, that's what our pinnacle is.
There's a cool point there.
Well, considering this is from Canary Wharf, Canary Wharf construction.
Little bass sounder. What's all these cages?
It's like drying room, people's stuff is the only thing I can think of. You've got loads of ways to come up. Long till seat, you've got various high vises that go in very dirty condition.
This place has been... Clearly someone's been on here, if they've been able to remove these.
About a night.
Oh, there's a base for a bell. I don't know where that came from. Maybe he might be around here somewhere.
I'm just going to get the outside top of this and lose. Route to Roll London Hospital. I seem to suggest they had a lot of accidents, so they go outside like that. How dehydrated are you?
Good question.
Yeah. Up to the top. Highly dehydrated. That's your piss colour.
Oh god. That's not asbestos, is it?
That could be asbestos. Yeah, it looks like it might be a bit. Do not dust off your clothes in the change room or toilets.
Toilets, huh?
Well, this is not inspiring me to work at Canary Wharf.
Just put these down. I wonder if there's anything lying around here. There's a base. The old expert card on it. There's more of them. Why am I finding so many firearm devices lying around on the floor? That's so weird.
Facilities are changing.
Might be some more stuff in here. I don't know. It's like... What have we got in here? More missing.
Stop it, I really do not want to be looking at. I certainly do not want to smell it either.
There we go, then. Another
Old
missing
hand dryer, that's got vintage.
vintage.
Hot water. This is old. This is like really old. Skin cancer. They've got a lot of public health stuff on this.
I don't think all of these is really old. I think it's more like early 2000s.
Yeah.
Judging by its fire alarm system, that is. Another missing detector. Battery charger. Okay. That one's still there, that's good. And these all have plug sockets in them. Okay. Have a look in here.
Battery charging.
Now we're in some separate room here. Like, it's an XP95 quid one with a cover on it. Can't move them without moving the cover. There's another base down there. There's lots of glasses here as well now. That one's broken. That's definitely broken. Don't know what else is in here. Okay. There's no detectors in here. Oh wait, yes there is. Now on the next floor up. There's all the all that. Here's the main fuse box. There's another squash thing with no detector on it. So right here. They're using they're resting this big heavy metal pole on that. That's got to be damaged. It's alright. That must be its base. And there's the squash knee, another 2-ton one. Looks like it used to be a cool point here, and there's this emergency door. It's one with a glass I've never even heard of before. What's that? That better not be an F50. There's one really disgusting looking XP95 detector. Let's have a look in here. It appears this place is already getting stripped out already. They've only just started it. Another experience 5.
Canary Wharf, 54, I think that works. Veltec Electronics Limited.
So much paper all over the desk.
Contract to Canary Wharf, it seems.
Fuck. Well, what's down here? What was that? Let's have a look in here. There's another XP like 5 sector lying around. And there's dust cover as well. That's obviously not from the same type. So we'll just that must be where it used to sit. It's a very different kind of installation. Oh well. Nice hallway. Oh yeah, that must be where it came from. Another squashly with tech space.
What's up here? PIP Electrics Limited.
What have you got in there? I'm not going to be able to get out of it, I must hold that. Another detector lying around. There's not really much in here. Just that squashly. I think he's found a toilet again.
Oh no, it's just as bad.
What's that?
Oh, it smells horrible. It smells absolutely horrible. Oh, that's horrible. Very horrible. Let's get out of that. Kitchen. The kitchen's going to be disgusting.
Well, I spent years hating Apollo. I don't know why.
Something.
There's a heat sensor in there. Oh, we should pressure get in here. That's the kitchen.
A very strange place.
It is definitely. What's in there? And I wonder what used to be up here. Let's go back to the. I'm not looking here yet. I don't think. That one's been completely removed. And even that sounder's kind of falling off. Yeah. Don't know how to remove those actually. Eesh, that looks weird. There's more glasses. Bet some of them are broken. No, yeah. Oh wait, this one's. Oh, that's really fucked. Never mind. See where he's got to. I've got, doesn't go as far as that. Shit. What is all that? Oh, that's the zone chart.
Canary Wharf Contractors Limited. Wow. All of this stuff. Invoices and everything.
Ceilings are pretty poor state.
This bit is the floor plans of the building. That is definitely the most interesting bit. 30 Churchill Place. It's the floor plan. Check off there. Commissioning meeting minutes. In this meeting, we're going to discuss that we have fitted for sprinklers for a fire alarm system.
No, they haven't. They removed them.
That's from Canary Wharf. That's not from this building.
Okay.
Obviously not.
Any passengers? No, we're not going to go up because there's no passengers. So we're now going off to the next station. Let's go.